same time with the two of them, a couple things to focus on. As you come across to the left side, your hands are coming from this top out to the side. As the poi swoops around the 3 o'clock part of the turn to the 6 o'clock, you want to try and give it a sideways push, so you're shoving it to the left to get it to land at the same time. Then as you come down and go to the right to get it clean on that side, imagine my body is behind the poi. Your hands, as it comes around the 9 o'clock going to the 3 o'clock, you come over the top, you lob it, so you lift and push out to the side so that you can scoop underneath to get it up. So lift, push, scoop, and then out. That's the sensation I feel. It's a lifting sensation from the bottom to push it out to the side. You scoop underneath to get it up, and as it's coming around the top of the turn and then to the back side, you push out to the left, swing it over the top, and come back down. All you do is